And to all the veterans of Vietnam, we add our message tonight. We say thank you, thank you, thank you for your service to your nation.
Throughout World War II, it was often the popular songs of the era that kept us going and lifted our spirits, especially when they helped to ease the pain of separation.
Saturday night is the loneliest night of the week, 'cause that's the night that my sweetie and I used to dance cheek to cheek.
From the mountains to the prairies to the oceans white with foam.